Welcome to our channel dedicated to the art of woodworking. Today, we are diving into the world of wooden art, where creativity meets craftsmanship. From intricate carvings to elegant furniture, wooden art has a timeless appeal that captivates the eye and the soul. Each piece tells a unique story, crafted with passion and precision. Let's take a closer look at the process behind creating these stunning works of art. It all starts with selecting the right wood, understanding its grain and texture, and envisioning the final piece. The journey of transforming raw wood into a masterpiece is a labor of love. Every chisel stroke, every sanding motion, brings the artist's vision to life. Wooden art allows me to express my creativity in a tangible form. The process of shaping wood with my hands is both meditative and fulfilling. Collaboration is key in the world of wooden art. By sharing ideas and techniques, artists can push the boundaries of their craft and create truly unique pieces. Now, let's address some common questions about wooden art. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, there's always something new to learn in this ever-evolving field. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey through the world of wooden art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the beauty of wood.